Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk to you about the different study materials which I'm going to use for my pre-final year exam preparation. So yeah, I have ENT, Optal and SPM. So how I've split these study materials are into three categories. One will be a clinical atlas, a theory textbook and a review textbook. So technically you should have gone through the theory textbook and you should be looking for a review textbook right now, which is 1 month before the exam. So there is no clinical atlas for SPM, only for ENT and Optal you have a clinical atlas. So let me get into it. So for ENT, the various theory books are your KK Ramalingam ENT, your Dingra ENT, your Mohan Bansal ENT, and Hazarika ENT. So KK Ramalingam is the most easiest to study, and it's very easy to understand and written in a language which most of us will comprehend. Dingra is the next best thing, and Mohan Bansal and Hazarika are other options which you may consider when you're looking through for an ENT textbook. But most of these textbooks are around 800 to 1000 pages, so they won't be very feasible to go through in the last 1 month. So you need to look at review books like ENT at a Glance by Rasia, Munir, and Ray Clark. Then Basic Otorhino Laryngology by Rudolf Prost, and then PT Wancode Clinical Methods of ENT. So those are your review books. They'll be around 400 to 500 or even 300 pages. They'll give you a clear idea of the most important topics from ENT and all exam related points. You can go through any one of those. Finally, you will need a clinical atlas. So why this atlas would be useful is, even though you study about the disease and you read about these symptoms, it makes more sense to look at it as a picture. Like, for example, how does a CSOM look and what are the different stages of CSOM? Instead of learning the text, if you look at the photo, you would have better understanding of what's going on, and it'll help you become a better clinician. So the three good atlases for ENT are your T. Martin Onetzi Diagnosis in ENT, and then your Benjamin Diagnostic Handbook of ENT, and or your Tony R. Bull Color Atlas of ENT. You can just check out all of these books. Personally, I am I'm going to go through. I went through basic otorhinolaryngology by Rudolf Prost, and I used this atlas by Bruce Benjamin. I didn't find the ENT textbooks very fascinating to study. I just went through KKR, few topics here and there. It's not, I didn't go into detail of any of that. Moving on to ophthalmology, so your theory books would be your Kansky Clinical Ophthalmology, your Parsons Disease Survey, and your AK Kurana. So AK Kurana is more like how to say, it's a collection of facts, so it's not put together in a very good way that you would understand. Parsons is a better option when compared to Corana. The best thing would be to read Kansky's Clinical Ophthalmology, but it's very extensive, around 900 to 1000 pages. So if you have time, you go through that. But there's also a synopsis book which is very short, like 400 to 500 pages. It's Kansky's synopsis. You can go through that for your exam preparation, or you can go through your review of ophthalmology by Neil J. Friedman. And the last option would be Rainy Jogi by Ophthalmology. All these are really good review books for exam oriented studies. And your atlas which you can use for Opthal would be your Gerhard Pocket Textbook Atlas or your Ming Constable Color Atlas of Ophthalmology. They'll help you look at the various conditions of the eye, and they'll help you understand the subject and remember the symptoms and signs better. So finally, moving on to SPM, this is a very vast subject. So choosing the right book would really help you cut down the studying time. So the two main theory books which are there are your Park SPM and your Mahajan Gupta. I found Mahajan Gupta better suited for me because honestly, while reading Park, I felt like I was reading a newspaper and I wasn't able to retain most of the information which I was reading. I could only just remember those headings which were given in bold. The review books for SPM are your short book called Community Health by Dr. R. Deber. This is like a small PDF. I don't know if this is a textbook or something. It's only about 30 pages. You can just check it out. I'll add a link to this in the description. And then there's this Last Look Dams NEET PG prep book or revision book, and it's really good. It gives you an important points of all the vaccines and all the programs and all important golden points for your various infectious and non-infectious diseases. And last would be the popular option, which most of you would already been aware of, which is Vivek Jain Review of Space. So those will be your textbooks for your third year, and that would be all. Thank you.